how can just people you follow can tag you in their videos on TikTok. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First, you will go to TikTok, then open it, and then when your TikTok is open, you will just go to profile, click open your profile, then go to this three line, then go to settings and privacy. After this, on settings and privacy, go to privacy, then you will go to comments or mention and tags, then click on tags and change it to people you follow, like this, and that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel, and see you next.